6 ways to say look. Kigge. Kigge is just looking, like jag kigger ut av vindoet, I'm looking out the window. Se. Kigge sometimes gets confused with se. If you're watching TV, du kigger ikke I fjernsyn, du ser fjernsyn. But se can also just be like, look, see that man, look at that man. There's no man there, but if there was. Lil is like looking for, searching for something. Jeg leder efter mine nøgler, som altid. I'm looking for my keys, as always. There they are. Søge. You can also sue something online. That means when you're looking for something, you can also look for a job. Sue a job. And likewise, an employer can sue in medarbejder, for example. In medarbejder, for example. In medarbejder, for example. Sorry, I just took on a repeat there. And lastly, ligner. Ligner is like, look like, resemble, for example. Du ligner en, der keder sig. You look like someone who's bored. Or more commonly, du ligner din far. You look like your dad. That was 6 ways. That's 7. That was 6 ways to say look in Danish.